What's up, my bomb and subscriber squad? Hey, what's up, y'all? It has been so long since I've said that. I've missed you guys so much, but guess what, boo? Tonyanicole is back, boo, and I am so happy to get back. Y'all, I have so many boxes to unbox, so we're gonna be putting out a lot of videos in these upcoming days because we don't have that many days left in September. So yeah, boo, I have missed y'all so much. Oh my goodness, it just feels so good to be back recording. I want to shout out everybody that sent prayers, well wishes, support for me during Hurricane Ida. Y'all have no idea how much that means to me. So the shout out today is going to be to all of you guys. Thank you all. I love you guys dearly. I'm happy to be home, guys. I will share my little Ida story in a later video, but today, boo, today I'm gonna be pumping out some videos. Basically, I might see this shirt in a couple and I might change it to another shirt. I don't know. But today we're doing Boxycharm's base box for the month of September. So yes, my loves. Oh my God, I'm so happy to be back. Y'all have no idea. I know I said that a lot. I'm sorry, y'all. Anyway, guys, if you want to see what's in September's box, don't move. Stay right there. Girl, come close. Come close. If you ain't know, subscribing to me is free. So, oh girl, look at the hair. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'm sweating, y'all. It's hot. Ooh. I do not have a drink today, my loves, but y'all take a dance break and a drink break. I have done enough over the little evacuation. Girl, I didn't blow it up like a blowfish. Your girl is just, ugh. But anyway, we're not here for that. We're here for this right here. This is Boxycharm's base box. This is $25 per month. You're supposed to get five full-size items that range from makeup, skincare, makeup tools, all kinds of things, guys. It's supposed to have a value of $125. I do have a link down below if you guys want to subscribe. I don't know my choice item. I don't know anything, but I do know choice for October really sucked, so that's gonna be another day too. But without further ado, hey, let's get this box on and popping. Boo, a dance break and a drink break. So y'all, I got like 50 something boxes in today. Well, not really that many, but a lot, because you know our post office was not delivering, so all of a sudden they all came at once. I'm gonna cut that and we're gonna open it up. Okay, that's what we're looking like on the inside. We do get a little card. The theme for the month is BTS. That's what it is looking like right there. I haven't watched anybody else's unboxings, guys, because I've been off of YouTube because I have been stressed and depressed and, you know, girl, but the chick is back. All right, on the back, we have a list of products as well as the variation. I'll put all of that towards the end. So let's just go, babe. Let's go. First product up I see is from Quick Slick. And this is, let me get my card because I really don't know. This is, insert name here, Quick Slick Hair Essential. Okay, that's what it's looking like right there. It says Quick Slick is designed to quickly and easily touch up your hair. No alcohol. It's safe for sensitive scalps, non-irritating, non-flaky. Essence to slick and smooth your body hairs and flyaways with a light peach scent. This right here, my loves, retails for $22. And I think I remember something with insert my name maybe before, I don't know, but this is what she is looking like right there. And this is for flyaways and for your scalp. You know what, I am not gonna open this. This is the packaging. It's a cute little package, but is it a hair tint or what? Throw it in your bag for easy touch-ups and flakes. I don't think I'm gonna use this, guys. So I'm just gonna put this back in the little box. We do have a giveaway coming up of all of the products that I put in my, that I don't use. So that's gonna be coming up real soon. This retails for $22. I truly hope you guys have been doing well. I am so excited for the videos to come that's coming up, y'all. I got wig try on from Amazon. I got some boots and stuff that I ordered. I'm going to show you guys. I have more boxes. It's going to be amazing for the rest of the month. Very excited. And I hope you all have been doing really well. And I have been praying for anyone that's been affected by Ida. Trust me, boo. I see you. We're in the same boat. So I hope everybody's doing good. Now, let's get back. I'm just rambling today, y'all. It's because I'm excited. Our next product is from St. Luxe, and this is a brow gel right here. and it says, bow down to your brows. This brow gel glides on effortlessly, leaving your brows looking fuller and giving them the perfect shape. The short brow brush will give you precise placement of your brows, and the lightweight gel has no residue when dry. This is $22 as well, and it's a clear brow gel. All right, that's what we are looking like. I do like brow gels. I use them from time to time. That's the little brush right there. $22. Okay, I don't know about this box so far, y'all. I'm not really getting... we'll talk about that in a minute. Let's see what's up next. Alrighty, our next product is from Dr. Brandt, and this is the Triple Antioxidant Eye Cream right here. I do love Dr. Brandt's products, and with the eye cream, I have been using them under my eyes, around my eyes, on my little smile lines here and my neck, you know, so they do come in handy since we get so many of these. And this is formulated with Dr. Brandt's revolutionary A3 Power, a dynamic shield boosted with antioxidant, age defense, and anti-stress ingredients. Oh, I need that, y'all. It's designed to help the look of fine lines and prevent first signs of aging, protect against free radicals and external aggressors as a moisturizer. And this is $46. This is a new launch for Dr. Brandt. Alrighty, in here you get 0.5 ounces of product. That's what we're looking like. And let's take the little wrapper off. It has like this little nozzle here, squirt it out, and it's just like a cream right there. So I'm definitely gonna put this in my fridge and use this. I have been using, like I said, eye creams all over my face, so all right. Let's see what else we got, boo. Next up, we have this little brown pouch here, and let's open it. It's like a velvety type pouch. Yeah, that's what it looks like. That's the back. It's from Elena Badro. I know I'm probably saying that wrong. Let's see what this is. And this is Baby Blues set. This set masterfully creates a seamless, flawless makeup application. Contour, blend, and define with these 3 limited edition synthetic makeup brushes. Travel or store your brushes in style with this luxurious tan pouch. These retail for $58. Girl, and this is a Boxy exclusive. Okay, so here's the 3 brushes right here. I'm gonna take them out so I can see that the color is pretty. The bristles are nice, kind of. There is a contour brush, and this is, I think, like a defining eye brush. And this is a powder brush. I mean, they feel okay. They very, very, very light. $58 is a definite no. This is a Boxy exclusive, but I don't know anybody that's paying $58 for this set. And who heard of this company? Has anybody? Let me know if you have. But $58, come on, Boxycharm, stop. Just stop. All right, and then our last product is, I think this was my choice product. It is from Blink, and this is the Glow Getter Face Palette. This palette features 4 smooth matte blushes, 4 luminous highlighters, and beautiful sophisticated shades that enhance all skin tones. We will definitely check that out. For a personalized youthful glow, the formulas are refined to blend effortlessly and last all day so you can glow and get it. And this is $50, and this is also a Boxy exclusive. So let's open it. It says cruelty-free, oil-free, sulfate-free, paraben-free, gluten, and whatever that P word is, and a nail just popped off, y'all. So we're gonna keep it rolling. When we slide her out, that is how the packaging is looking. Ooh, girl, we get a mirror. Hey, boo. A nice big mirror, and it's no plastic shield, but this these are the shades right here. This being like a contour shade, I guess, which would actually work good for me. Blushes and highlighters. This is a beautiful palette, guys. Like, very pretty face palette. I think the contour could work probably on lighter skin as like eyeshadow, or maybe as a real contour. That's how the top row looks on my fingers. And this is them blended out. All right, and let's do the highlighters really quick. These are the 4 highlighters, which all look kind of like the same. And y'all know highlighters Oh, this is some bad swatches, y'all. Girl, that is horrible. But that's how they swatched out. Sorry, that's bad. That is bad. This retails for $50. Would I pay $50? Probably not, but okay. All right, loves, that was our final product in this month's Boxycharm. We're gonna do a quick recap, final thoughts, and we're gonna be done. So we received from St. Luxe this brow gel. From Insert Your Name, this quick slick hair gel, I guess. From Dr. Brandt, this eye cream. From Elena Badro, this brush set. And from Blink, the Go Getter face palette right here. So these 5 products, my loves, once I add up everything in the box, the value is $198. And I have variation, the letter C 21090001-BA. So final thoughts, for this being a $25 box and the value is $198, I think that is pretty decent. However, these brushes are totally overpriced. I don't know anybody that would pay $58 for 3 brushes. That's not even really like high quality. The eye cream, I'm kind of over getting those. Brow gel was okay. The palette was okay. This hair essence, no. I think in December I'm going to be canceling either the premium or the base box. I just have not been really happy with Boxycharm lately, and I think now they're just throwing stuff in the box with these high price tags of brands we haven't even heard of before and saying, okay, you have $198 value, but how much of this stuff will I actually use? Maybe 3. I don't even know if I'm gonna use the brushes. I might give this to my little niece. The hair, I don't know. I would rate it on a scale of 1 to 5, probably a 2.5 for this month. I do like the palette, but y'all, it was kind of a dud this month. I did not like the base box. Let me know in the comments down below what you got. Let me know if you're feeling my box. I think I'm really gonna cancel the premium. I'm leaning more towards because I usually like the base box, but I'll see once I unbox that one in the next video. So yes, loves, that's all I have. I wasn't feeling it this month too much. It didn't make me really excited. Let me know what you think. Don't forget, if you have not subscribed to our channel, boo, I don't know what you're waiting for. The queen is back, baby. You need to subscribe. Tell your friend, tell your mama, your daddy, your cousins, your aunts, everybody. Come on and subscribe to Tonyanicole, boo. Don't forget, give this video a big thumbs up, guys, if you like to see these unboxings from me. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. Everything is linked down below. I will see you guys in the comments and on my next video. I am so happy to be back. And we're gonna have a party. Ooh, ooh. Bye, loves.